Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M3 GTR versus the Audi Le Mans Quattro. We'll dive into what made these two machines legendary, exploring their unique origins and the impact they had on the automotive world. Get ready for a deep dive into their design philosophies, performance capabilities, and lasting legacies. This comparison will highlight their distinct approaches to high-performance motoring. Let's talk about what truly set these vehicles apart: their engines. The BMW M3 GTR was equipped with a high-revving 4.0-liter V8, delivering impressive power for its racing pedigree. In contrast, the Audi Le Mans Quattro showcased a formidable 5.0-liter twin-turbo V10, pushing out over 600 horsepower. These distinct power plants offered very different driving experiences, reflecting their unique design intentions and engineering prowess. Beyond raw power, their designs told a story. The M3 GTR's aggressive styling was a direct result of its racing purpose, featuring functional aerodynamics and a no-nonsense approach. The Audi Le Mans Quattro, however, was a vision of the future, a sleek concept that laid the groundwork for the iconic R8. Both vehicles, in their own right, captured the imagination of car enthusiasts and cemented their places in automotive history. In conclusion, the BMW M3 GTR and the Audi Le Mans Quattro represent two fascinating, yet different, paths to automotive excellence. One was a raw, track-focused machine born from homologation rules, while the other was a visionary concept that evolved into a production supercar. Both pushed boundaries and captivated audiences worldwide. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.